Hi, and welcome to class. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Lori Vaughn, but please call me Lori. And I just wanted to take a minute to introduce myself. I have had a few careers throughout my life. However, healthcare, and in particular occupational therapy, is a true passion. I didn't discover occupational therapy until I was in my 30s after having been a paralegal, a caterer, a special education paraprofessional, and a few other careers tossed in. I earned my Bachelor of Science degree in occupational therapy from Bay Path University and my Master's of Advanced Practice OT and Doctor of OT from Boston University. Clinically, I've worked as a school-based OT in the Chicopee Public Schools and have also worked in early intervention. I started teaching occupational therapy in 2006 as an adjunct and then full-time faculty member. I've held many academic positions, including academic fieldwork coordinator, program director, chair, and assistant dean. I truly love teaching and sharing my passion with the next generation of healthcare providers. In my spare time, I love spending time with my family, and you can see my family here. My husband of 32 years, actually, we just had our anniversary. My son Patrick, who is a graphic designer in Salem. My daughter Marina, who is an occupational therapist in East Hampton. And I especially love spoiling my 8-year-old grandson Noah, who is the light of my life. My husband and I met in a bowling alley, and we actually just finished our first league in 25 years, coming in second place with my daughter and her boyfriend. That was interesting. I have two dogs, a 100-pound German Shepherd named Abel and a 40-pound Puggle named Dakota, whom we lovingly refer to as the twins. I have one cat, Snickers, and two 30-year-old box turtles named Donatello and Michelangelo. Unfortunately, Raphael and Leonardo are no longer with us. I am an avid Red Sox fan, and I also love to read, cook, and enjoy craft beer. That's a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to getting to know you as the course goes on.